बट अच्छा इसमें व्हेन यू गेट दीज यू गेट PR स्टफ तो काफी खर्चा बच जाता होगा.
My toxic trait is even if I get PR, I still end up shopping. So it's insane. कि even my mom was like कि बेटा stop. She was like हो गया आपके पास जगह नहीं है. And because यार at the end of the day just a girl, तो मुझे तो shopping करनी है चाहे कुछ भी हो. मुझे I love shopping, I want to do shopping no matter what. तो वो तो हमेशा चलता है. And plus bro, I have a very giving nature. You tell me what you want. If I have it, I'll share with you also.
Yeah.
And I try to share, yeah, because
I saw that one reel जिसमें you made boxes for your family.
Yeah. Whenever I go, abhi bhi I'm going, so I'll make because mom also likes receiving. She's like, oh, आज क्या लाई है? So it's fun that way.
So your parents are here in.
No, my mom lives in Jaipur. Yeah.
In Jaipur.
Yeah.
Oh, so only you live in Bombay. कैसा लगता है अकेले?
I like it.
Like as in not having a flatmate and.
See, I had a flatmate. अभी कल ही गई है वो. But still, no. I like
She
living
was
alone.
a creator?
No. She was just studying. Yeah.
अच्छा, she was studying.
Yeah. So no, but I like having my space because I have lived like that for a really long time. My mom has always been working. तो वो सुबह चली जाती थी. My sister college, फिर she is also married. So I have lived in my house alone. I like doing things alone. मुझे शांति बहुत पसंद है. मुझे मेरा me time बहुत पसंद है. But obviously when मैं बोल जाती हूँ फिर I'm like hello चलते हैं कहीं चलो घूमने. So then I'm just like asking people, do you want to go here? Do you want to go there? But yeah, before that I'm just like अभी मैं अकेली सा ही हूँ. I like that.
Nice.
It मतलब of course bro, like living with your parents if you can, if you are, it's a privilege. Yeah, because like I can go back to Jaipur, but I know that my work at the end of the day is Bombay. So if I had an option, I would. But काम जहाँ पे होता है, you have to be there. But like let's say creators who are from Bombay, living with family, that's a blessing because the kind of time you get to spend with them, it's important. मैं हर महीने एक ट्रिप तो जयपुर की लगा ही लेती हूँ. I'm just like मम्मी. Even though वहाँ पे भी जयपुर जाके भी मेरी मम्मी सुबह जाती है रात को आती है, but there's just this comfort that you know if you call her she'll be here in 5 minutes. That kind of thing. Yeah, of course.
Right.
Yeah, we are very
That's
close.
very
My mom, my sister, so we are too close. So हमें it's like कि अगर एक इंसान रोएगा दूसरा भी रोएगा. That kind of bond that we have. तो हाँ.
क्योंकि मैंने इसलिए पूछा क्योंकि when I was here in Bombay मैं पहले तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट में आई कि oh yes I live. मेरे को कि हमेशा से अकेले बॉम्बे में ऐसे रहना था. I even got admission in one of the colleges here, but मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बोला अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो तो मेरे को अलाउ नहीं किया. I was 17 तो मेरे को अलाउ नहीं किया. Then I was like okay fine. फिर कोविड आ गया तो एवरीथिंग गॉट पुश्ड एंड फिर मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया था लास्ट ईयर आई शिफ्टेड. मैं कहा भाई ये तो नहीं है कितने दिन आप जेप्टो कर लोगे स्विगी कर लोगे बिकॉज आई कांट कुक. तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. एंड आफ्टर लाइक 4 months वी केप्ट अ मेड हु कुड कुक. उससे पहले मेरी एक फ्लैटमेट थी. मतलब दोनों फ्लैटमेट्स दे यूज्ड टू कुक डिसेंट. थोड़ा बहुत बना लेते थे. मेरे को सिखाया भी थोड़ा बहुत. मैंने फिर इंग्रेडिएंट्स वेस्ट हो रहे थे उसके बाद तो आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड. एंड देन लाइक आई फेल्ट कि हम लोग ज़्यादा वाइब नहीं कर पा रहे थे लाइक मी एंड माई फ्लैटमेट्स. तो हमने फिर वी डिसाइडेड कि चलो
no फ्लैटमेट ट्रॉमा. आई थिंक एवरीवन हु शिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम एनी सिटी टू बॉम्बे एक ना एक बार तो आपका फ्लैटमेट ट्रॉमा होता है. यू विल हैव पीपल विल बी लाइक मैंने ये अनियन नहीं खाया तो मैं इसके पैसे नहीं दूंगी. And I am just like what? मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं, मैंने दूध यूज़ नहीं किया तो मैं दूध के पैसे क्यों दूँ? All these stories I'm pretty sure अगर आपने ये नहीं experience किया तो you are God's favorite. Just accept this. But like flatmate stories are real. People sometimes just don't vibe. And it's a thing. Like it's also because see you are in Bombay. If you are in college doing part-time earning or if your family is giving you like a monthly allowance or whatever, it's also about ki okay are you all matching on the expense level? Because I am someone if I want something I'll get it. Like even if it's just something as basic as आज मुझे ये नहीं खाना वो खाना है तो that's possible. But it's okay because someone else might not you know, want that, and everyone has their own restrictions and restraints, so it's fine. But yeah, wo trauma to it happens. So yeah, like my one lesson which I learned was like, you have to make sure you're finding flatmates who are like vibing with you on every level possible. Yeah.
Would you ever move? If you like the clip, make sure you watch the full podcast right here, or for more clips, click here.